Everybody's Ken from Contractor Mortgage Services for all your mortgages and protection needs. Huzzah! Coming to you live and direct from the Mortgage Mobile. So I'm out and about at the moment, so I thought I'd just do a quick post because I haven't done anything today, and I want to talk to you about standard variable rates. So I was asked by somebody yesterday, what is the standard variable rates? What does it mean? What's the impact of being on it? And should we even be on one? So there's only a few reasons really, guys, for being on the lender's standard variable rate. And to be clear, the lender's standard variable rate is the rate that you would usually go on to after you've been in maybe a fixed rate or a tracker rate or a period of where you've been locked in. You come out of that and you'd move on to the lender's variable rate. It's a rate of their choosing. Now, it does tend to mirror what the Bank of England does, so it will go up usually every time that the Bank of England does. So if you are sitting with a property and maybe you have had inertia, you've not done anything with your rate, you've come off it quite some time ago, haven't really felt the pinch a while back, but now all of a sudden every time the base rate goes up, you get a letter from your bank saying your payment's going up and beyond, and you're starting to cry and it's painful. It's because you're on the lender's standard variable rate. So you need to do something about that. So you need to re-lock in, whether that be on a tracker deal, a fixed rate deal. You need to do something to break that inertia and get you back into a rate that maybe is a little bit more controlled. Now, the lender can change this rate at any time. It doesn't have to be just because the Bank of England's base rate has moved up or moved down. It's entirely of their choosing. All right. Now, benefits of being on a standard variable rate would be if you were trying to sell your property. So if you're trying to sell your property and you're going to repay all the loan back to the bank, you don't want to be in a penalty period because you will end up paying a penalty. Naturally, that's what the words just say. If you're on the standard variable rate, there's no restrictions. You can overpay 100% of your mortgage back. No penalties whatsoever. So usually people will time that for that period. Now, if you are in an early repayment charge period, you are usually allowed to overpay by 10% with most lenders, okay? You'll need to check the terms and conditions of your mortgage. Metro, for example, allow overpayments up to 20%, which is amazing. All right, so there are some restrictions and some changes from different people, but typically 10% is a rule of thumb. So standard variable rates, if you're on one, speak to your broker, get off it if you can, unless there is a specific reason you need to be on it. All right, guys, so that's standard variable rates. Have a cracking day.